Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day on WarriorPlus. So if you're completely new, this is going to be a great video for you because we're going to dive into WarriorPlus. I'll show you how you can look around the products and select good ones to actually promote, and then I'll show you the exact way that I promote them so you can copy that. Now if you are completely new, don't forget to check out the free training. You'll see the link in the description below. Go and grab that training. It's going to show you exactly how to set up a business online click for click. Now this is going to give you a more of an overview of what I'm doing to actually promote any kind of good products on WarriorPlus. So let's go ahead and dive in, guys. We're going to go straight to WarriorPlus and then we'll start to look at how I promote these types of products. So guys, if you haven't been over to WarriorPlus before, this is a marketplace which allows vendors to come along and put their products on the marketplace, and people like you and me who are affiliates can then go ahead and promote them and get a commission. Now you can get other alternatives to this like ClickBank and JVZoo, but this is one of the biggest ones in the kind of make money online niche. Now there is a few warnings here. I don't promote everything on WarriorPlus because if you look at the type of reviews I do, a lot of the things on here, as far as I'm concerned, aren't very good quality. This video isn't about that so much. If you're a complete newbie, I'm just going to show you how I picked the type of products that I promote. What you promote is completely up to you guys. I'm just going to show you how I do it. So basically you come along, and if you were completely new, you go ahead and sign up for a free account, and then you go ahead and log in to the actual software. The first thing you'll see is the marketplace here, and this is a full list of all of the products on WarriorPlus. Now obviously that's quite confusing, so the best thing to do is come in here, and the first way you can do it is kind of go to the top products and see what's fresh and new now. Now as you go through these top products, there is a couple of things that you can do very quickly. You can go and hit this link here and go off to the sales page. I'll be very honest with you guys, the sales page may be not the best place sometimes to understand a product fully, but basically you go ahead and you can see what the vendor is telling you that this product actually does, and you can go through the sales page. The other things you can do is go here and actually go and look at the vendor themselves, and this allows you to see what the vendor history is. Now this is one of the kind of quickest ways that I use to figure out whether these guys are going to be the person that I want to go ahead and promote myself, because as far as I'm concerned, if I'm putting my name to something, I want to make sure that the people that buy off me are getting good value. So what you can see on here is this particular vendor here, he's had 20,000 followers, he's had 90,000 sales. He's got 2 out of 5 stars, which isn't great, is it? 1,313 people have voted, and these are all of his previous products here. So if I click on any one of these, what I end up doing is going back to that sales page. Okay, so these are the kind of products and the kind of ways you know what is current in the marketplace. Now you can do this if I go back to yesterday, you can do it over the last 30 days, and the idea is you can just come along and click on these. Now the other way that you can do it is by basically going over to categories and looking at the various categories of products in the WarriorPlus marketplace. Now the main kind of products that are sold on these types of marketplaces are make money online, but you can see there's some here in marketing, education, various platforms. You can have certain industries like e-commerce, local businesses, lots and lots of software on here, services and other, and this is a different way that you can go ahead and search for your various niches. Now there is some kind of niches on here that are not related to make money online, so it's worth looking around if there's something that you want to start making money off that isn't actually in that kind of niche. And the other thing you can do is look at the alerts. So as you see here, I've got all these alerts of the various vendors that I've followed in the past, and this will tell me when the kind of next time they're going to release any kind of products is. And then last thing on the marketplace, you can go to deal of the day, and it's just going to show you what the kind of deal of the day is. And I'm laughing because sometimes these aren't so good products, but this is where you can actually find them. Now there's lots of things that you can do on here as for vendors, but we're not vendors, so we're not really going to set up anything as far as selling. So we're looking at it from an affiliate marketing point of view at the moment. And as an affiliate, here's what you can do as far as finding products. So if I go to the dashboard here, you'll see the last promotion I did make around $100 a day. It was for a product called rims. Now I don't promote every product on WarriorPlus, so the promotions usually last a week, which this one did. So you can see that I can make the money once I like an actual product. And this is the kind of thing you can replicate, guys. Now you can come over to offers on the affiliate marketing tab here, and this is where you can start to find good offers and get your affiliate links. Now, affiliate link, again, if you're completely new, an affiliate link is the way that this actual marketplace tracks that you are the person that sold that particular product. So guys, what you can do here, once you've gone over to your offers, you can come through here, and this gives you a little bit more information about the types of products that are currently being sold. So if I come down here, all of these types of products are being sold. So what I can do is just pick one that I know is good. So if I can come down and find rims, I'll actually go and search for it up here. And again, you can do this. You can find products that you like and just search for them. This is the product that I actually promoted last, was rims 4. If I just click on that now, go over to get link, and this is where my WarriorPlus link will actually be. Now, this WarriorPlus link is the thing that tells WarriorPlus that you are the seller. So if I come over here and actually click on that WarriorPlus link, you'll see that it comes over to the sales page, and this is the sales page for the product. So if anybody clicks through that, they can go to the product themselves, and then they go ahead and pay. And what will happen here is it'll tell the system that you're actually going to go ahead and buy this particular product. So that's the way it actually works as far as the payment is concerned. Now, what you can do if you haven't already got the link is you can come back to the offers and come over to just anything. Let's say this profit contact. I wouldn't actually promote this, but you can do the same thing. So you can click on this to actually look at the sales page. You can click on this this to look at the vendor, and then once I hit request link, I can get more information on this product, which is useful for you as an affiliate. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and request approval. Now, if you're completely new, you may have an issue being accepted to promote completely new products. Now, the reason that is because when products first launch, the guys that are launching them want to attract affiliates. So what they want is a very high, something called a CTR, which is a click-through rate. And they want to see that every time somebody clicks to one of their links, they'll get a certain amount of money. The higher that is, the more kind of big affiliates will come along and join. But what you can do is over time, you'll get more and more sales. So you'll be able to kind of promote more and more things. So you just write a little note in here that says, hey, can I go ahead and promote this particular product? And the good way, if you're completely new, is to show how you're going to promote it. So you could say, I'm going to use some kind of YouTube channel, I'm going to build a blog, I'm going to do something which I'll actually show you how to do during this video, and it'll explain to them that you know a little bit more about what you're going to do as far as promotion, and it gives you a higher chance of being accepted. Now, if you can't do that initially, just find offers that have been out for a bit longer and start promoting them, and then you kind of build up to being able to promote anything within this network. So you go ahead and you would request this here, just request the offer, and then on your email you'll get a notification that says you've been accepted to promote with your link. The other things it gives you is if you look on the second tab here, the funnel map, this will show you all of the OTOs. Again, if you're completely new, when you have an initial offer, you'll also have lots of OTOs, one-time offers on top of that. Now this will show you all of the OTOs for this, in this case, profit contact, and you'll be able to see the various OTOs that are being sold as part of this particular product. And then the last one gives you the detail of the OTOs. It gives you all of the prices. Now on this one, you'll get 50% commission on all of the OTOs that are being sold. So you can see here that there is a substantial amount of OTOs that you would get commission on if somebody decides to buy the whole funnel. Now that's on this particular product. As I said, I wouldn't actually promote this. I've just done a review on this. I don't like it. But guys, that's the way that you would actually go ahead and promote something from here. So if I just go back to my previous example, I want to show you RIMS 4.0 and how I actually promoted that and got nearly $700 within the week. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is take you over to a tool called Funnelize and show you what the funnel I actually used looks like, so you can see exactly what I did as far as driving traffic was concerned and how we actually got that final commission. So here is the funnel that I actually used to promote any kind of products online. Now this could be WarriorPlus, JVZoo, it doesn't really matter what network these come, this could be any kind of products. I use a very similar process. So I have a YouTube channel and I have an email list. Now if I go for the YouTube channel first, and I'm going to show you the live example of this, I put videos on YouTube. Now those videos are review videos, or they could even be videos like this one where I'm just showing you how I do things, and basically people go ahead and hit the link in the descriptions of those YouTube channels, and then they come over to some kind of page like this. Now on my review page or my bonus page, I have some information, additional information about the product, and I may add some bonuses. If you're completely new, don't worry about bonuses at the moment, but if you've been through this for a while, you can start building your own bonuses that are kind of congruent with the offer that you're trying to make. So this is the review page. If they like what they see, they can go ahead and click the link, the affiliate link that's in the review page, over to the sales page, and then once they go to the sales page, they can go ahead and make that purchase. Now what I also have is an opt-in page and a bonus page for them to go ahead and collect their bonus at the end of the day. Now as far as the emails are concerned, I do a very similar thing. So I email out to my list and I tell them all about this product. Now I'm sure you've had many emails like this before, and there's a link in that email that drives them back to the review page. They can check out the full review and then go ahead and do the same thing as far as purchasing. Now we've got to be upfront here, guys. I'm very honest when I talk to you about affiliate marketing online. You will not have a YouTube channel or an email page yet, unless you follow the link in the description below and go ahead and check out that training. But you can go ahead and build this over time. So your YouTube channel, you'll need content on there to start driving visitors. My YouTube channel has 6,000 subscribers. I started from completely nothing about 18 months ago, and I get around 700 to 800 visitors a day, depending on how many videos I'm actually putting out at the time. Now, obviously I get substantial traffic using that, and they click my links, and you know, that's how I make commissions. Now, you obviously as a beginner won't have that, but you can build to it, because I started from nothing and I'm nothing special, guys. You can do the same thing. Now, as far as emails are concerned, that's exactly the same thing. Some of my products I ask for email addresses, obviously because it allows me to contact people at a later date and provide more value for them, and you know, recommend other products and services. That's what marketing is all about. So you won't have these initially, but you can get them if you follow some training and you're consistent over time, and you can build this with completely free traffic. So let me show you the live examples of this YouTube channel and these review pages. So I just jump over to YouTube. This is my channel here. You'll see that it's just under 6,000 subscribers at the moment. Actually, over the last 48 hours, I've had 1,500, as I said, visitors. So you can see that I get lots of visitors over to this channel. Now, this review video here had 300 odd views, and basically it goes through all aspects of what this product is all about. I show them inside the product, I show them the kind of positives and negatives of the product, and I also show them any kind of OTOs, any kind of one-time offers that are connected with it, and then I ask them to go ahead if they're interested and click the link in the description below, and then they get taken over to my actual review page. Now, as I said, my review page is a very, very simple page where they can come along here, look at the video again if they want to, and they can click on these links over to the product, and there's also information on my bonuses if they want to go ahead and claim the bonuses. So this is very, very simple, guys, but it's very effective. If you can give somebody information about a product in the form of a review, then they're always likely to be interested if they come over to your page, because you've already pre-sold them by giving them all of the information they need, and basically all you're doing then is making sure that they come through your link because you're providing that value, and then you get a commission. Now remember, it never costs them any extra, right? All you're doing is providing additional information and giving them value to be able to go along here and click through your link and get that commission. Now the worst way to do this, and I see this all the time, is if I just skipped all of this and tried to throw an affiliate link at somebody that took them straight to a sales page. They're just very unlikely to buy, guys. That's the way that it works. They're so used to it these days, they're just not going to click on random links. You need to give some kind of value and build a little bit of a business in between that helps people understand what products are all about before they go ahead and actually buy. Now the other thing I do is I do the opposite of that. If you look at my channel here, is I actually tell people not to buy most of the things on a network like WarriorPlus. And I do that because I want to be honest with them. I want to be able to tell them when I'm recommending a product to you, I think it's good. Now, if I decided to promote everything off WarriorPlus, yeah, I might make a few sales here and there, but those people are not going to come back to me because they know that the products I promote are going to be rubbish. Okay, I'm being very, very honest with you guys. So if you want to make this a long-term sustainable business online and you want to build it, you've got to be very picky about the types of things you promote and the types of things you recommend to your audience. So guys, if you want to build a business online, the best thing to do is to pick a traffic source like YouTube, blogging, social media, stick to that traffic source for the long term, build it up, and then you can recommend products and services using that traffic source. If you go ahead and start putting your links everywhere and trying to spam people, it just will not work. So guys, if you're interested in building a business online, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I got completely free affiliate marketing training there you can get started with straight away. Until next time guys, take care.